Hey guys, Mike here from Rust Brothers. Blair's gone, just got back from the coast, bought some parts for a couple of the cars. The shop is looking like a friggin' disaster area. I better get this cleaned up or Blair's gonna snivel slightly. Anyway, we're still waiting for a body mount kit for the 74 Blazer, but today we're gonna drop it down. I'm just doing a little quick sanding on the doors, just so when I prime the rest of it, we can, basically we just want it to be all one color is the thing. I said we can't finish welding these two pieces until we get the body mounted, because like we're gonna cut these off here and make new ones, but once we can't really flex it, so we don't really want to do it, drill the holes and bolt it until we actually get the body mounted down on it, so we know where it's going. Get that done hopefully this afternoon. Get this all in primer. You know, I just touch it up thereafter. I just get everything protected, blow it out. Still got to go get these parts off the other Blazer, so even though it was pretty rusty, it did have a bunch of good parts and does have a chassis. It's got the automatic with the 205 transfer case, which is getting pretty tough to find. I'm sure somebody at the auction will want that. So we'll have two Blazers at the auction. One that looks good. Ooh, nice chassis, nice chassis. So that one will look good, and then we'll have this one that doesn't quite look so good. I might just put the other rad support back in, the wrong one. You can adapt it, put a newer grill, but anyway, see what happens. And let's get some paint going. I'll sniff some fumes, eh, Link? Gonna breathe some paint fumes. Get a buzz going. Come on. Come on your bed. Good boy. So that's the plan for today. See what happens. Am I ready to prime this? I gotta do that as well. Let's see what we got going on here. I forget. No, we gotta do a little more sanding. I'm just gonna scuff this too. We just want to put some primer on it. Just make it all look one color, just a little less hassle. Somebody's gonna have to fix the doors, but we're not doing it. This is a really solid door. Other one's pretty good too. Gonna have to do some cutting and some adapting to make them work with the Blazer, but if the factory can do it, we can do it. We do have the other Blazer doors for spare parts, so, and to use as a template. Once we get them at the body bolted, we just might cut them. And we still got a buddy, I'm trying to get those other rubber pieces. We have the ones for the top of the door, just not for the ones that seal at the back of the door. So we'll see what happens. Mission accomplished. It's gray. You know, I mean, basically we're just trying to protect it, right? This isn't a restoration, but anyway. The problem is, like Blair says, Mike, you gotta stop. Maybe when I start, I just want to finish, but can't do it. I have no time. Anyway, everything's protected. It's one color. When Blair gets back, we'll finish the, get the body mount kit. Gap the doors. I'm going to take them off and prime them on the inside, but they weren't sandblasted. Basically, we just want to get everything protected that was blasted. So I'd say that's pretty well protected right now. We got the hump, got the rad support, the proper one. I think I might just leave that this grill surround orange, just because. Give it one touch of color. Just clean it up, slap it on. It's got a nice piece of chrome. The original one was green, but that chrome's bent, so we might just go orange, just because we can. The actual body tub that we're using was red, so. Anyway, there we have it. Primer's on. I've kept my commitment to Blair. I can only bitch somewhat. Anyway, you guys, Merry Christmas to all. To all a good night. Remember, those that have should give. Peace, love, and joy, guys. Looking forward to see you guys in the new year. We got lots to do.
The next day.
Hey guys, Mike here from Rust Brothers. Hopefully everyone's had a very Merry Christmas. New Year's is a couple days away. Just talked to Blair. They're excited to come back. We got about another week, so hopefully I'm gonna get the body mount kit in, so when Blair gets back, we can line up these door gaps, cut these pieces off. We got buddies looking for seats. I'd have to do a little bit of rebuild work on these brackets, but very hard stuff to find. I think they only use these ones for 3-4 years, so you're looking for 50-year-old parts. Said the chassis is all good to go. Another buddy of mine, Brian, big shout out to Brian, found me a set of beauty rings. Oh, who's that? A set of not beauty rings, but I think I might have some rings somewhere, but got me a set of caps. So, nothing makes these old school rallies look better than a set of old school caps and rings. So hopefully I can find some rings, but give you guys the idea. So these ones go on the back like that. Oh, doesn't that spruce those up? And these ones have the hole. I mean, they don't really need them because these aren't locking hubs, but a lot of guys put locking hubs on. These ones go like that, and it just brings those old beauty rings or those old rally wheels to life. So those are gonna look pretty cool. Like I said, we're starting to piece this thing together. What we really need now is for the inner fenders to show up, and then when Blair gets back, we can gap the doors, finish welding up the quarters, cut the doors, put those little pieces in to make them a blazer door, and Bob's your uncle, get it out of here. We went and talked to our buddy. We've got the transmission all rebuilt from our buddy Todd at A&C Transmissions up in Edmonton. Guy's like an Einstein of trannies and carbs and stuff, really good guy. And right now what I'm gonna do, I've been looking at this thing for about 3 weeks without touching it, and I'm gonna spend an hour or so and just scrape all of the gunk off this. We got a nice set of jet scrapers here. We're gonna put them to use and just clean this thing up a bit, just so I can put a coat of rust paint on it, drop it back in, then we can get the chassis in, put the transmission and transfer case in it, drop the body back on it, and then bolt it down so when Blair gets back we can gap everything. Anyway, that's the plan. Stay tuned. Again, Merry Christmas. I hope everyone had a great one, and Happy New Year. Yeah, okay, there we go. Anyway, good thing Tony stopped by. Give us a hand here. Okay, just down here.
Sir. Oh, everything's there. Okay, just a little bit down. Okay, stop there. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, hold it there.
Hang on, I'll lie underneath and take a look. Tony.
Yeah, we should be able to get the bolts in, at least on this one for sure, and then we can go the rest of the way down.
I couldn't find the other one, so I went and took it out of the other one, and then I found it, of course.
Of course, right?
Of course.
That's the rules.
Yes. Hang on. Okay. Where's the hole, Tone? Hang on. Wait a sec.
Which one are you trying to go in?
Oh,
Driver's side?
yeah, it's got to go forward. Uh-oh. Okay, yeah. Oh, a little more, Tone. Okay, now can you tip it back so it's flat? Is it in? Tip it back a little more. Hang on. Oh, it might be in. Hang on, where's that impact?
Right above your head. No, right over here.
Oh, okay. Let's just give her a little bit. Okay, I think that one's in. Okay. Hang on. Okay, can you see where the more?
I can't see anything.
Like is that enough?
Yeah, the rubber's in the right place.
What?
The rubber's in the right place.
Okay, well, can I get the bolt up there?
Yeah, you should be able to. I can move it. If you leave it just like that,
okay,
we'll get a start on it.
Yeah.
Mike, what do you need?
Oh, I think I'm just trying to get this second bolt in, and we're in business.
If you push it up into it, then I'll move this over on.
Yeah, I might just get. Hang on, great. Okay, can you see it?
Yeah. Okay, just wait.
With their help, that'll be easier to push up in that.
There, you should be able to get it started right around there.
No. Okay. Can you see the bolt?
Well, I can't see it anymore because you're through onto the rubber.
Okay.
I just have to line up my hole.
Come on, you pig. Oh, are we in?
You were towards the driver's side a little bit.
Okay, try it. Oh, wait a sec.
There.
Wait a sec. Tell me that was it. Okay, we got it. I'm pretty sure we got it. Yes, let it go. They told them to let it down.
Yeah, let it down, Greg.
Let it down slow.
Okay.
It's loose. Yeah, like it's just gonna flop around here on the rubbers, right?
Well, it should.
Yeah. Okay, good. We're done.
You want to reduce it right off?
Yep. Yeah, it's done.
Yeah.
Okay.
There we go.
Yep. Okay, yeah, just take
All
off.
out now.
Yep, perfect. Okay. Okay, give me a hand, we'll push it back in.
Yep.
And then
Okay.
you can help us push a car in too. Grab your hand back.
Oh,
Run over it.
yeah, wouldn't be the first time.
Yeah, I was gonna say, Mike, run over something. No.
We just go straight back in, it's gonna be about perfect.